Everyone, I am here for review for Albert Einstein course. Let's start. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed. In our life, it exists. It matters that whenever a mind of a two persons is same, then something going about that their relationship is strong if they have same mentality, and if they are in opposing thoughts, then you see and imagine that what can happen. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Whenever you have bad experience from yesterday and you hope for the good for the tomorrow, then important thing is that you learn from previous experiences. Then a new hope and a new good time will come. How on earth are you ever going to explain the terms of chemistry and physics? So important a biological phenomena as first. All the branches of sciences are as equal as the chemistry. So don't think that one branch is so important and then other is not. All the scientific knowledge is equally important. Chlorine is a deadly poisonous gas employed on European battlefields in World War. Sodium is a corrosive metal which burns upon contact with water. Together we make up basic and unpoisonous material table salt. While each of these substances has dire properties, it just is a subject for as a chemistry. Chemistry is an interesting subject that there are all the chemicals we study, and that substances which is in your substances which are so much corrosive, and also the important salt and other metals are also a part of the chemical reaction in the chemistry. You are living, you occupy space and you have a mass to measure. Already seen it. A theory can prove by experiments, but no path leads from experiment to the birth of a theory. Obviously, too much theory is study. All of theories have no existence, and they have to be proved. They are right or wrong. And I believe that the science of chemistry alone almost proves the existence of an intelligent creator. It means that I am intelligent because according to this quote, the science of chemistry alone almost proves the existence of an intelligent creator. It means that जो आपकी chemistry है, it's too much creative things in it that chemistry ought to be not for the chemistry alone. Any man who can write safely while kissing a poetry girl is simply not giving the kiss the attention it deserves. I believe that the science of the chemistry alone almost proves the existence of the intelligent creator. Almost it is repeat again. And gravitation can't be wholly responsible for the people falling in love. How on earth can explain in terms of chemistry and physics so important biological phenomena as first love? Put your hand on a stove for a minute and it seems like an hour. Sit with that special girl for an hour, it seems like a minute. That is reality. I can only laugh on this. Creativity is continuous pass it on. Yes. Think like a proton, stay positive. This is a message from my side too. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the things you to think. Thinking is the main objective, that you think first, then create something, then it matters. Uh, by the way, any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex, and more violent. It takes a touch of a genius and a lot of a courage to move it in the opposite direction. This is the best quote I ever see, Albert Einstein, and I repeat it again for it. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex and more violent. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. I mean to say that fools can make big mistakes, and an intelligent person can handle it in a minute, in a very smaller way. No, this trick wouldn't work. How on earth are you ever going to explain in terms of chemistry and physics a so important biological phenomena as first love? As far as the laws of mathematics refers to reality, they are not certain. As far as they are certain, they don't refer to the reality. No, this trick would not work. How on earth are you ever going to explain in terms of chemistry and physics? It should be possible to explain the laws of the physics to a barmaid. I do not understand this quote. What is the reason about that? No, this trick wouldn't work. How on earth are you ever going to explain in terms of a chemistry and the physics? Chemistry begins in the stars. The stars are the source of the chemical elements, which are the building blocks of the matter and the core of our substance. I'm also a chemist. My background is chemistry. So please like this and tell me about that. You like these sports, and if you like in future. Thank you very much.